Morning, guys. August 20th, 2024. So here I gotta go back to that job I was at about a week ago, I guess. I had an oil burner and it was tripping, and I put a used motor in for him and a nozzle. It ran for about a week. Now he's calling me that's tripping out and it won't stay running now. So gonna go over there. It might be a transformer or something that let loose on it. It's an older unit, right? Oh, I mean, it could be anything. Go check it out. This kid's gonna be there to let me in, I guess, so back over there and see what's going on with it. Like I said, it's like a 90-year-old woman in a nursing home. I mean, you don't know how long it's gonna live for. You don't know how long she's gonna live, Molly. Go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. I'm kind of glad that it's not starting, because sometimes these things can be a bitch, you know. They run fine for a week and then they trip out, and sometimes it's the main operating control that's bad. Sometimes it's the protector relay, and it could be in the pump, the motor. I mean, it could be so many different things. It's not always cut and dry. We're gonna go over there. We're gonna check the transformer. I'm betting that's what it is. I'm betting it's the transformer. It ran fine for a week and it started acting up. So we'll find out when we get there. Sometimes the nozzles go woke on you. They don't spray right. No. Sometimes the electrodes aren't set just right. You're not getting a good spark. We'll figure it out. Gone flipping woke on us, Miss Molly. Gone wokey. Gone wokey. Alright, so let's get it off there. And I said it did trip. So we'll check our oil flow. We'll check our spark first. Today's the 20th. So it's been 11 days. Last time I was here, I put a this don't look good. Last time I was here, I put a motor in there. Clean the wheel. We'll check the spark. We'll start it. We'll check the spark. We'll check the oil flow. We'll see if we're getting oil. It's got no delayed oil valve on this thing, so we should be able to squirt oil out right into the bucket. Plus we'll check the spark with a screwdriver. See if we're getting, we'll see if we get spark. We'll see if we get oil. When I turn on the switch, we should get oil and we should get spark. We'll get oil, no spark. Oh. Oil won't be on a spark. Let's take a look and see what the head looks like. There's a little lumpy on the spark there. It's off. Let's see what we got. A little of shit on there, see it? We're gonna have to put another set of electrodes on there. Firewall's not hitting. Try it again with the it's a little wimpy on the transformer. New transformer in there. It's a little wimpy. Make sure it feels tight here. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Everything seems good. Seems like there's an issue with the transformer. Seems a little wimpy to me. Put a new one on there. Let's see what our pressure's running. I'll spark again. 100 there. Boost that up to 140. Yeah, it's wimpy. I'm gonna put another transformer on there. We're gonna put a little transformer on this thing. This seems a little wimpy. This one here doesn't have a, it's got two blacks, one black's and neutral. It's probably the original transformer. Look how dusty it is. Seems pretty wimpy on the spark. This is a Becca AFG, or Becca AF, same thing. Same transformer. Carlin would be different. One goes with the black, the motor, and the transformer to the orange. That's one. The other black goes to the neutral. They got this ground that's not even hooked up, but we'll hook it up. That should be good. Should be. We'll see. See what we're getting for spark now. now. We'll start it. Let's check it. See what our spark is now. Much better now. Wimpy transformer. We're only getting a good oil flow, that's not an issue. She should fire. Might smoke a little bit because hasn't been firing. Might be a little smoky when it first starts, but she should fire right up. Ready? Let it run. Let it run. I'll shut it off and so once it's hot in there, she'll fire pretty much every time.